Multi-axis machining is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of computer-controlled machines to produce complex parts and components. This process involves the use of multiple axes of motion, which allows for greater precision and accuracy in the manufacturing process. Multi-axis machining is used in a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and electronics, among others. The process of multi-axis machining involves the use of specialized software to program the machine to move along multiple axes simultaneously. This allows for the creation of complex shapes and contours that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional machining methods. The machines used in multi-axis machining are typically high-speed, high-precision machines that are capable of producing parts with extremely tight tolerances. One of the key benefits of multi-axis machining is its ability to reduce the number of operations required to produce a part. This can result in significant cost savings, as well as faster turnaround times. Additionally, multi-axis machining can improve the quality of the finished product, as it allows for greater precision and accuracy in the manufacturing process. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a variety of industries. As a leading provider of multi-axis machining services, Berkness Company is able to offer its customers a wide range of capabilities and expertise in this area. Whether you need a single prototype or a large production run, Berkness Company has the experience and equipment necessary to meet your needs. If you are interested in learning more about multi-axis machining and how it can benefit your business, we encourage you to visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Our team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and to provide you with a quote for your project. With our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust Berkness Company to deliver the results you need. FAQs. 1. What is multi-axis machining and how does it work in manufacturing? Multi-axis machining is a manufacturing process that involves the use of computer-controlled machines to create complex parts and components. It involves the use of multiple axes of motion to move the cutting tool in different directions, allowing for greater precision and accuracy in the finished product. This process is commonly used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical device manufacturing. 2. What are the benefits of using multi-axis machining in manufacturing? There are several benefits to using multi-axis machining in manufacturing. First, it allows for greater precision and accuracy in the finished product, which is essential in industries where even small errors can have significant consequences. Second, it can reduce the amount of time and labor required to produce complex parts and components, which can help to lower production costs. Finally, it can enable manufacturers to create parts and components that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional machining methods. 3. What types of machines are used for multi-axis machining? There are several types of machines that can be used for multi-axis machining, including CNC milling machines, lathes, and routers. These machines are typically equipped with advanced software and control systems that allow for precise control of the cutting tool and the movement of the workpiece. Some machines may also be equipped with additional features such as automatic tool changers, which can help to further streamline the manufacturing process. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.